Hi again everyone, how are you? Welcome again to my channel. बहुत दिन से सोच रही थी मतलब शायद लास्ट वीक से दिवाली के बाद से कि आप लोग के साथ एक बात शेयर करूं, लेकिन टाइम ही नहीं मिल पा रहा था। बट आज मैं वो शेयर करूंगी। और क्या है सो कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही नॉर्मल सा। लाइक आप लोग सब बिफोर दिवाली शॉपिंग किए होंगे, राइट? मैं भी की थी। बट मैं आफ्टर दिवाली भी शॉपिंग की, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, जब अच्छा अच्छा जो नॉर्मली मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं क्या मतलब हम हर कोई पसंद करते हैं, जैसे कि जहाँ एक मार्केट होता है जहाँ पे हर कोई हर टाइप का चीज़ लाइक रीजनेबल रेट में मिलता है और अच्छा अच्छा मिलता है। जैसे हम लाइक मार्केट रहता है आप लोग का नॉर्मल छोटा मतलब छोटा सा मार्केट होगा, या वहाँ पे सब कुछ मिल रहा होगा। हर कोई हर जगह में रहता है। तो जैसे कि मैं हैदराबाद से बिलोंग करती हूँ, मैं हैदराबाद में रहती हूँ, तो यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारा मार्केट ऐसा है जहाँ पे कि बहुत अच्छा अच्छा चीज़ मिलता है। और स्पेशली आप लोग पहले सुने भी होंगे कि हैदराबाद इज़ फेमस फॉर द जो बैंगल्स, लाइक एनी टाइप ऑफ बैंगल्स, लाइक इफ़ यू वांट ग्लास बैंगल, लैक बैंगल्स, एनी बैंगल्स, कुछ भी टाइप का चूड़ी चूड़ी चाहिए यहाँ पे मिल जाता है। और बहुत अच्छा अच्छा मिलता है, अच्छा क्वालिटी का मिलता है और रिजनेबल रेट में मिलता है। तो मुझे वो बैंगल्स बहुत पसंद है। तो क्या हुआ कि दिवाली से पहले मैं सोची थी खरीदने के लिए, बट ऐसे नॉर्मली फेस्टिवल टाइम में बहुत भीड़ रहता है और मुझे क्राउड में जाके मतलब आप ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दे पाओगे, अच्छे से देख नहीं पाओगे। इसलिए मैं क्या सोची थी, वंस दिवाली विल फिनिश, दिस फेस्टिवल सीजन विल फिनिश, आई विल गो एंड आई विल बाय सम ब्यूटीफुल बैंगल्स एंड whatever in this market. So like if you ever come to Hyderabad, you may know। और इस आप अगर आप कभी हैदराबाद आए नहीं तो मैं बता देती हूँ आपको, आप कभी भी हैदराबाद आइए घूमने के लिए, डेफिनेटली वंस आप लोग को आना चाहिए, बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेस है। और जब आप हैदराबाद घूमने आओगे तो फर्स्ट है आप अगर शॉपिंग के लिए जाना चाहते हो, और लेडीज मेनली तो लेडीज आइटम्स लाइक एनीथिंग, यू हैव टू गो टू चार मीनार। इन द चार मीनार, यू नियर टू चार मीनार लाइक आसपास में ही है, यू विल फाइंड द चूड़ी बाजार, लाइक दैट इज ओनली फॉर द बैंगल्स। That is whole in whole Hyderabad, I can say. I don't think so in India that like that market you will find for the bangles. And that is the one only for bangles, and same kind of bangles also you'll find in between small small places. So here I am staying near to that place, also one market is there, that is called KPSP markets. That is a small market. So there also you'll find all the good things and beautiful things. So as this is the COVID time and all the situations are not that much good, I didn't go to this Charminar because that is little bit far from my place. So I went to this KPHE market which is near to my place. So I'll show you what I bought from there. So beautiful bangles I bought, earrings I bought, like whatever I bought and whatever I like, that I got in my estimated price. That is too good. Let's see what I bought. Uh, See what I got. See these earrings. These earrings I got in around 200. Yes. I don't know the exact price, but I think this is like okay, because that is too heavy and it's the enamels also, like minakari and stones are there. So it's this is one I got from there. And what I got, I'll show you. See the beautiful earrings also I got. See, this is I got. See how beautiful it is. So this is I got in 130. Isn't so nice? It's in only 150. Sorry, 140. And and see what I also got from here there. So I got this jhumka. It's in 150. See how beautiful it is. Really, you can see my excitement how I am showing to you people. So if you are in Hyderabad and showing this video, do visit this KPFC market. Definitely you will get these things in this really reasonable price, and there are so many designs are there. I could not buy all the things, but still I buy something. Mm. Then one more thing. See how pretty is this. This one I got in 100. Yeah, 100. So you can do bargaining also there. It's pretty okay to do bargaining in those types of market. And yeah, and that is the things I got from this market. And I got few clutcher, and which I like so much. I like so much this banana clips, clutchers. I like clutcher very much. See, I got these clutches in 15 to 20 rupees each. I think it will be the cost of worth because see, these are good quality. What I feel, these things, everything I got in the same budget only, and yeah, that much. Then I'll show you the bangles whatever I bought. See, the bangles are not so pretty. If you see, these all are the glass bangles I have bought. See, so those so pretty bangles these are. So these are around the cost will be this cost is around in between 200. The dozen means here they are giving 12 bangles. 12 bangles means is 1 dozen. So you can take 6 bangles, and you can take minimum 12 bangles. You can take more than 12. So it depends like your wish. So you can buy whatever, and whatever I bought, everything is below 200. The dozen means 12 bangle are below 200. So see here also I brought another two designs. I brought 6 bangle for 12 because it's good to mix and match. Whenever you wear sari or any dresses, heavy dresses, it will be good to mix and match. Another design I brought same. I brought 6 only. I like mix and match kind of thing. So see, this is the blue, and this is the mixed color. So this mixed color can go with any color, and this is the blue, and the stones are there. You can see these are the blue colors. So these can go with any golden colors and all, so you can pair with. Then I brought it. See, these are so pretty. The same design, but this is paired with the golden one. See how if you combine with it any dresses and all or any sari, how pretty it will look. Then again I brought so many bangles. I brought so much, so many, not much, so many I have brought. So this one in red color. So normally red color we prefer to wear in any occasion or any festivals and all. So I brought this one. So this one also look like, see, so pretty. Isn't it so good? All these all are in 130, 140, like 50. And whatever I show you this design, this is some a little bit heavy design. So it is the dozen is 200. So it's worth of cost. You can see if you go to any big shop and all, it definitely the cost will be double, I can say, guaranteed. And see, this one I bought also. See how pretty these are look like. Sorry. See how pretty this color is, like a maroon color. So it can be go with any sari or maroon color dress or any golden with, if you are border with maroon, with that also it can go. These are the 12 set. So you can pair with any golden color bangles also with this. And see, this one also I got for another bang, another design. This is in the like pink, I guess this is pink set. Yeah, this is in pink set, magenta color. So this also in 12 pair. So this also you can pair with any dresses or sari or something. It will look so good. And like that I brought the same design with the violet color. So if you wear this one, it will look so pretty, so pretty. Now I have not dressed up well because this I wear because I wear the violet color dress. So as you can see, so pretty is this. Once you wear the with the matching like any pair, if you want to any pair, आप अगर इसके साथ कोई दूसरा पहनना चाहते हो तो भी कर सकते हो, या अगर आपको सिंगल इसको पहनना है तो आप पहन सकते हो. इट लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल. So if you pair like want to see this one, it will look so like it will gorgeous like looks. If you light are there and everything, it will also look so pretty. And I'll show you this one as well. See how pretty it looks like. So traditional, so elegant. Every color you can keep all the colors ones, at least 6 pairs, so that you can match it everything. So if you the all the 12 bangles, see I am wearing first. This is for the red color one. See how it is looks like. It is so pretty. I like this so much. See how it looks like it will be. So once you wear it sari or something else, it will be so elegant, so much. And I have not put a nail polish yet. So once you put all those settings, then it will be too good. So this is all about my shoppings. No, still are there. I'll show you just quickly. Otherwise, the video is already lengthy. So I have brought this one also, this color also. You can see. This is the like sky blue. This is also go with any like the same color, or you can go wear it with golden like yellow color, or any other color. Yeah, yellow color, it can go with yellow color because some dots are there in yellow, so it can go with yellow color as well. Yeah, these are the things only. Yeah, no, our one more color is there. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to get this is the one, the blue, sorry, green color, and but this is the different design. See here the designs are very unique and very beautiful. So once you wear this, it will also it little bit more little bit big big size I brought because I want to pair with any some other color as well. So I bought this one. So but if you wear this one, it will look so elegant. So this is the shoppings, all the shoppings I did. Oh, sorry, 1 minute, I forgot to show one more earrings. See how beautiful it is. So I got it with 60 rupees, only 60 rupees. So these are all my post Diwali shopping which I want to share with you. I want to show you. Please let me know which color and which one you like the most from these all things, and let me know whatever the favorite shopping place in your location, from where you are belongs to, if you are watching this video. And please do like and subscribe these videos, which will encourage me to do more and more. Please do comment and subscribe my channel if you are new, and if you are already seeing my channel, अगर आप ऑलरेडी देख रहे हो, मेरा बहुत सारे वीडियो में है लाइक मैं ऑलरेडी दी हूँ, वहाँ पे डिफरेंट फैशंस रिलेटेड चीज़ डाली हूँ, वो भी आप देख सकते हो. प्लीज़ डू शेयर एंड comment and subscribe as well, and do like this video, so it will motivate me to do more. Okay, what else? Nothing. Please do support. Thank you so much for watching this.